Hey guys, I hope you're all well. So today I'm going to be doing my hair on camera, which I've never done before because I'm very bad at doing my hair. I've never really done anything with my hair, but recently I got a curtain fringe or curtain bangs, and I've had a few questions asking how I style them every day. So I'm going to do that. So this is my hair right now. Haven't done anything to it, like it's just how it usually is. It's not styled, and it's a bit greasy to be honest. So I'm gonna wash my hair right now because I always wash my hair at night. So yeah, I'll see you after I wash my hair. Okay, so I've just washed my hair and I always shampoo twice and condition once, and like once a week I'll do a hair mask. So after I wash it, I just keep it in my towel for like, I don't know, like 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna take it out. This is what it looks like. So let's try and sort that out. So after I wash my hair, it just looks like this. And where's my stuff? Before I do anything, I usually go in with like some spray. So this is the activation leave-in treatment from Lee Stafford. Like a little leave-in conditioner. And it just helps me brush out my hair. This should just be called Gosh, I'm destroying her hair for 5 minutes straight. Or however long. So once it's brushed out, it's a lot less crazy, and then I go in with an oil. So currently I'm using the Gazoo honey infused hair oil, and this is definitely like one of my favorites. It smells so nice too. And I just use like 1.5 pipettes. Because my hair gets really dry and I don't want that. Take it through my hair with my fingers, and then once I've put the oil in, I just make sure to brush again. So I never blow dry my hair. I only like occasionally blow dry my hair, but most of the time I air dry overnight. So since I don't blow dry my hair, I just like to brush my fringe forward and like put it into place so I don't have to like style it as much in the morning. So I just do this, and I just like to secure it with one of these like no bend clips, and these are just from Amazon. And then like whilst I'm chilling before I go to sleep, these sort of like dry into place. So yeah. So yeah, this is as far as it goes when it comes to like wet styling. And I will just see you tomorrow once my hair is nice and dry overnight. Hey guys, so it's the morning now and this is what my hair looks like. So the first thing I do is just give it a little brush. Whilst my straighteners are heating up, I just make sure my parting is like straight. And then I go in with Gazoo primer, and this is really good because it helps like keep my hair in place after I style it. If you blow dry your hair, this is also good for drying it quicker. So just take that from my hair. And it kind of brings the frizz down a little bit too, so it's not as like puffy. The first thing I do with my fringe is just bring it forward like this and get my straighteners and just sort of slightly curl it upwards so it has that little flick at the end. Then I get a rollie, put my hair in like this so it can cool whilst it's curled, which is what my hairdresser told me to do. And I just secure it in like this and let it cool whilst I'm doing the rest of my hair. So for the rest of my hair, as you can see, I have a lot of hair, so I need to sort of section it 3 times. And I just get a claw clip and secure it in so it doesn't mix with the bottom of my hair. With these bits, I don't really care too much for these because they're the bottom, so they don't need to really be perfect because no one's gonna see. Or at least I like to think that. I sort of just separate these bits into two and curl them outwards. Then I just slowly let some of this out. If you have like less hair than me or more hair than me, you might have to do this more or less. But just always do it in sections. I mean, I don't even know what I'm telling you because I'm very bad at doing my hair. I'm sorry to any hairdresser who's watching this. It probably offends you. And I just do the same thing. Smooth and then curl outwards. Okay, so let's get started on the final bit. So to me, the final layer is like the most important because it's the one everyone else can see and the one I can see. So I try to do my best. Okay, so now that's done, I'm gonna go and make like a cup of tea or something whilst my hair cools before brushing it out, because if you're brushing it out whilst it's hot, it's just gonna straighten it again. So I need to wait for it to cool, then I'll brush it out and I'll show you what I do next. Okay, so my hair's cooled now. I'm gonna take my fringe out. Moment of truth. So it does look a bit crazy when you take it out, as you can see. But my hair is very annoying and it will go down straight away. So I just like to put it in place. See, it's already like going down. So don't be like scared when you first take it out if you're doing it as well. So yeah, and then I just brush through my curls just to soften them out. And then I'll just give my little fringe a brush too. And then what I like to do is just go with my hairspray. And I'm using the LAKEY Stronghold. And I just like to put my fringe in place. And I also hairspray the top of my hair so I can put all my flyaways down, because I hate them. So once the hairspray is in, you can sort of mold your hair to what you want it to be. So I always bring this bit like down and I just give it one final hairspray. So yeah, that's how I do my curtain fringe or curtain bangs. It's pretty easy, like you just have to get used to doing your hair when you have them, which I'm not too bad at, but I'm still trying, like I'm still learning how to do it. I thought I'd just show you my hair in a little bit better lighting too. But yeah, this is my curtain fringe. As you can see, it's really easy to style, even if you have like no hair talent at all like me. So yeah, if you're thinking of getting one, I definitely recommend it. It's such a little change, but it's so nice. And I'm really enjoying having mine. If you're new here and you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. I don't know when I will post next on here, but you know. And if you don't follow me on Instagram already, make sure you go give me a follow there because I post there every single day. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye!